What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got a lot of work to do today, but that is gonna have to wait. I'm gonna hop in the car, go pick up my cameraman, and probably get something on the way because I am hungry. But yeah, let's hop in the car and get going. All right, boys, we got this ugly boy with me. Why do you keep messing with your face while I'm trying to introduce you?
Fine.
Okay, cool. Well, that's how you're gonna be portrayed on the internet.
It's fine, dude.
All right, we're gonna go to not a racetrack. We're gonna go to a gas station, Harbor Freight, and then we're gonna go finish working on the car. Hopefully, we can get it driving by 3:30. It's 8 now. We'll see. Push come to shove, we'll just do it tomorrow because I want to. This car needs to be driving by the end of the weekend. That's the goal.
I honestly did not think you were gonna get driving this quickly.
I mean, all I had to do.
He's gonna quit YouTube.
Why would I quit? Oh my
No,
gosh.
now it's just like a joke.
Yeah. All right. Let's go. I'm tired of sitting here. All right, boys. So we're going to. I think I'm going to install the axle first, which should be the easier of the two options, which is in this bag right here. So I'm going to reinstall the axle. Oh, the axle's not down here. I was wondering where that
Does it just go in the back?
was.
It goes back here?
Yeah, it just goes right to the diff, bolt it down. I got a couple extensions. I'm going to torque it down. I'm just going to do a bunch of extensions so I'm out here, so I have a lot easier to, it's a lot easier to actually get the bolts in. And then after that, we're going to be reinstalling the knuckle, reconnecting all the suspension, making sure that that bearing spins after we put on the axle and all that other fun stuff. And then after that, I have to undo the brakes because for some reason they're like just stuck closed. So I gotta figure out how to, I'm probably just gonna crack the bleeder valve, rip it open, add more brake fluid, just replace it, have Caleb step on the brakes, bleed a little bit. And then reinstall everything, hub, or the rotor, all that other fun stuff, tires, and we'll be ready to rip it. So super exciting. This should be a good day. But with that, let's get into the car.
Do you want to show them, since you're under the car, where the axle connects?
Sorry, I have spider webs on me. It's gonna be right here. This
Here.
is the face.
Take it in. Take it in, brother.
I mean, I can't go too far. It's gonna be right here. Hope that's a good angle. Hopefully this should be a straight shot.
Well,
But yeah,
hold up. Does this have to get lifted up a little bit?
probably.
Yeah, because that's like right in the way.
Oh, fun. Okay, well, we'll figure it out.
Oh, great. That means...
Can you pass me the axle? Oh man, this is not that heavy. Put it over the exhaust. Okay, I can't put it over the exhaust because that thing is definitely in the way.
Fucking coilovers.
The coilover is what's keeping it like tighter, because this would lift up the knuckle, because this would bring this up.
Well, the suspension.
Yeah, the suspension. Why are you twisting it? Don't twist it.
There. It's right back where it was.
My stomach's showing. But yeah, well, we'll figure it out. Maybe I do have to reinstall the knuckle first. Alright. I'm gonna get into the brakes first. Let me do that. Because then when I reinstall it, I can just go ahead, full send it. Everything gets reinstalled all at once. See, like, it's just clamped together.
Ooh.
Yeah. So I have no idea how to.
There's pressure built up. That's why it's not coming undone.
I know.
Because look. Let me see. This is the one that moves, not this. And
Yeah.
you're not going to be able to push it. You honestly need to disconnect it.
Yeah. Well, good stuff. Cool. Good thing I got. Give me a heart attack. All right.
Just disconnect it.
Yeah, so as you can tell in our last clip, the brakes are just C's. Hopefully it's just the piston, and I can, once I open this, the brake, it'll just bleed out, and I can close it and re-slap on everything, and not have to get like a whole new caliper or a whole new brake line or whatever.
A few moments later.
Dump that real quick.
Dump what? See, I told you, if I just pushed on this, they'll both come out.
My bad. All right, how to get this axle on here?
It's how to get this knuckle in here. That's the name of the game right now.
Why is it called a knuckle? Like it.
I have no idea. I mean, the front, it makes sense to
You know what? I think it's because it's bent and knuckles like, or what? Bend your finger? I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud.
Caleb.
This is that
Never
marine.
change.
This is that marine shit
No,
coming
Caleb,
out.
Never change.
Why?
Because we love making fun of you too much.
At least you're not calling me gay like you used to. Those are gonna come back here in a little bit.
Not really. It just got boring. It's too easy now.
Well, they're all the same. I think you guys ran out of gay jokes.
Just like you ran out of dicks to suck.
Oh.
Boom! Still have it. Still have it.
That was funny. All right, so quick update.
We got this semi-bolted in. It needs to go in a little bit more. Everything is pretty loose right now because you just still want it to be flexible enough. Hopefully it doesn't like break off a bolt. Doesn't like flex off a bolt. But so this is the last thing we have to put in before it's like all back together. Then we're gonna go around tying everything down. Put in an axle. Okay, see that's perfect because that's a straight direct line to the that's a direct line to the drive shaft. That's perfect. So I guess reinstalling it all was the first thing to do, I guess.
All right.
Yep. Also, we're gonna throw you guys on another time lapse. And we'll keep going.
All right.
2 hours later.
Dude, this thing's bent now.
Is it really?
Yeah.
How?
Because it's all right. I can see it. It's like not straight anymore.
Well, we might be able to bend it back out.
I mean, hopefully right when you
Let's do what you were thinking.
just unbolting the top one.
Yeah.
Fuck, man.
The only thing is that suspension's gonna drop as soon as you do.
What do you mean?
The suspension.
Oh, fuck, 'cause that's the spring, yeah. No, it shouldn't. Because this one's holding it in. But this one's barely holding it in.
The top suspension will... Maybe get that back one out and just leave the back one out.
What back one?
The one you're doing right now. You're tightening it.
Yeah, no.
That top spring is gonna let loose, dude.
You're talking about?
That right there
Mm-hmm.
is going to let loose if you undo that top bolt.
This one
Yes.
is gonna let loose.
Yes.
No, I unbolted. No, I did not bolt this one first. So you tell me it's gonna like.
Yeah, it's going to.
Finally, We have the rear assembly all set up. We got the axle in. Sorry you guys were stuck on time last. We forgot to take you off. We got caught up in this. Blame Caleb, because Caleb's a terrible cameraman.
Whoa. Hold up. It was my idea on how to get this thing assembled. So if you haven't had to do this before and...
Yeah, but you're still the cameraman.
Well, explain to them how we did it so that they... Oh, don't tighten that down just yet. Wait to... Did you tighten those down back there? Yeah, wait to tighten those down first. All right. So the way that we got this all assembled back together is we put this on first and kind of went clockwise in a way. So because these two pieces right here, this upper part and this part over here, have the least amount of play. So we put this together first. Then we came up here, put this, then came down here and got this bolt in, which was a struggle, but we got it in. And then put this one in last because it had the most amount of play. And then, well, we actually put the axle in before we even hooked this up just so that we had room to kind of fit it in there. But finally got it in. Khalid's gonna get under there real quick and tighten this down so we can get the axle hooked up and good to go. Then after that, set up the brakes, right?
Yep.
And then put the tire on. You got lug nuts?
Yeah, I got a whole bag over there.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we're back from AutoZone. We got our adapters because they were the wrong, well, they're 3/8 drive, all my stuff's 1/2 inch, so I had to switch it up. So there's that. I'm gonna hop back underneath the car, get everything down, get everything tightened up, get everything torqued down. Then we gotta jump the car, and then finally, we can start this car and get it on its way. Do a nice little lap just to see how it feels, because that'll be the first time ever that I drive this car. I'm really excited. So yeah, let's get into it. It's a moment of truth, boys. Tying down the axle nut. I know you're not supposed to use your torque wrench as a ratchet, but desperate times call for desperate measures. I just want to make sure I don't over torque it, or should have clicked by now.
What?
I'm like, should click. Well, that means I just apply no torque.
A few inches later.
All right, end it here. Or I'll end it. All right, guys. Khalid's a little depressed right now because we can't get this thingy onto that
or
thingy.
The caliper.
Or the caliper. So we got that going for us.
No, we don't. We have nothing going for us.
So tomorrow we're gonna go fix all this stuff, and that'll probably be a whole nother video. But stay tuned, because hopefully tomorrow, but whenever this video comes out, probably 2 days after this one comes out.
Dude, no, we're sitting on 4 videos. It's gonna be a while. It's gonna be like a week.
Yeah, but when this one comes out, the next one will be the next one to come out.
Yeah, it won't be tomorrow though. It'll probably be 2 days after that. Way to know my upload schedule, Caleb. You're a real homie.
Not tomorrow, meaning like tomorrow when they see this video tomorrow, or 2 days from the day that they're seeing this, Khalid. Anyway, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, and keep moving.
Dude, you son of a bitch.
I'm joking. All right, deuces, guys.